Namaste, children.
I welcome you to the grade 4 English class. Today we are going to learn grammar and spelling from our course book lesson 5. Now, before moving into the session, shall we learn today's learning objective? Yes, today we are going to recognize present participle in these sentences and to learn, and also we are going to learn the usage of present participle as a verb and as an adjective, and also spelling. What spelling we are going to learn is a word end with ing. Now, can you recognize these flags? And also, can you remember? Yes, we have seen in the previous session, that is from the course book lesson 5, flags of the world. Yes, just we are going to make a recall about the flags of the world. That is, a 3-letter was given. First letter was written by Keaton to grandma, and the second letter is grandma to Keaton. Third letter is Keaton to grandma. There we have learned the so many interesting information about the flags. Yes, now today's session we are going to see the complete these sentences from your course book, page number 49. You can see this complete these sentences. Shall we spell? Yes. The star and the moon together, the star and the moon together symbolize what? Very good. Divinity. Dash of stars often stand for energy. Yes, we have seen this stars, group of stars in USA flag stand for energy. Now see, the flag of USA is called the stars and strips. Yes. Then Nepal's flag is shaped like a, yes, can you remember what is the shape of Nepal flag? Yes, triangle. And the Swiss flag is a square one. The maple is the national tree of dash. Yes, we have seen the maple leaf in some flag. Which flag? Yes, belongs to Canada. Very good. Now we are moving to the grammar part. Here we are going to learn the what is meant by present participle. Yes, if your work is incomplete, if your work is going on, it does not complete, is going on means that for that kind of sentences we use the present participle. Now see how to identify this present participle is a word that ends in ing. Usually that words formed from a verb. And also here we are going to see this present participle can be used as an adjective or for verb tense also. Now here is an example. The first example is the fleeing criminal. In this sentence, see here, criminal is a noun. Yes, nearby criminal, you can see the word fleeing. This fleeing is here taken as an adjective. Yes, because this fleeing describes the criminal. Yes, now see the second sentence. He was waving his cutlass. Here you can see was waving. Here waving is used as a verb. So like this we are going to see in our exercise. Before moving to the exercise, now see, noun here present participle. You can see the present participle here. You can see the noun here. Parrot. For parrot, can you choose the suitable present participle? Falling parrot, rising parrot, interesting parrot, speaking parrot. Which one you will choose? Yes, speaking parrot. Then rain. For rain, what you will choose? This present participle as an adjective. Yes, falling rain. For run, for sun, we can choose rising sun. And for information, interesting information. From this, you can conclude this Present participle is used as a adjective here. Now, shall we move to the exercise? Yes. Complete the sentences using ing form of the verb in the box. Here a help box is given. In this help box you can see verbs move, excite, bore, burn, set. Now here below sentences are given. We have to complete these sentences using this present participle, which means the verb you have to end with ing and then you have to fill this sentences. Now see, he was trapped inside the dash house. The fireman saved him. He was trapped inside the dash house. Fireman. When fireman will come? If anything is burning. Yes, burning big. Now see which word you will choose here? Burn. So burn we can't keep here. You can add, you have to add ing. So burning is your correct answer. Now many of his painting shows the dash sun. He paints the evening sky very well. Many of his paintings show the dash sun. In this painting you can see the sun is setting, right? So usually it may be set. So you have to add ing. So it is setting. Now she tried to get off a dash bus. Yes, that's not safe. Which is not safe when we are traveling in a bus? We should not travel in a running bus. Yes. Which word suits here? Move, excite, bore, burn, set. Yes, exactly. Move. So for filling move, you have to write moving. Nobody want to see the dash play. We went to the circus instead. In this sentence, they don't want to see the play. So instead of that, they went to circus. So why they rejected the play? Because bored. It is boring, right? So boring. Yes. Children, you can copy this in your book, page number 50. Okay. Now we move to the B part. In the same page, make sentences using these words with the present participle. Here we have to make the sentence. Here words are in discrete manner, so we have to make the sentence using present participle. For using present participle, we have to identify the verb. In this verb, which is the verb? Yes, build. The children build sandcastle on the beach. So this verb only is going to be changed as a present participle by adding ing. Now see the children. Now children means they are plural. So you have to use are. You have to use are. Build ing form, building a sandcastle on the beach. Yes. Then father make dinner in the kitchen. Here which is the verb? Make. Yes. So we have to change this make into ing form. So making. To complete this sentence, we need the helping verb. Yes. What are all the helping verbs? Is, are, was, were, am. These are all helping verbs. Here father. Father is a single person here. So father is making dinner in the kitchen. If it is a singular, you have to use is or was. If it is a plural, you have to use are or else were. Now see the third one. Farak grow taller every day. Farak, a single person. So Farak, which is the verb here, grow. So we have to add ing form, growing. To complete the sentence, we need the helping verb. So Farak is growing taller every day. We wait for the film to start. Here which is the verb? Wait. So we, two people, more than one people. So it may be plural. So we are waiting. Ing. Wait should be added with ing form. Waiting for the film to start. Next, He play cricket in the park. Fifth one. So he, single person. So he is playing cricket in the park. Now we are going to see the spelling. Yes. In the spelling, we are going to learn a new word formation. Is about verbs that end in E. You should drop this E and you have to add ing. In the spelling, what we are going to learn is for a word, how to make the ing form of that word. That is present participle. How to make a verb from the verb to present participle. Here, write. Here you can see the last letter is end with E. So you have to drop this. Drop and add ing at the ending. Writing. Like this, ride. You can drop this and ride, riding. And second condition, if any syllable, which means one syllable, stop, run, these are all one syllable. So if any word end with consonant, then you have to double the letter, double the last letter, and then you can add the ing. See, you can see this, it is end with P, you can double it. Before that, before P, there is a vowel. If it is CVC, which means consonant, vowel, you can see this T consonant, O vowel, and then P it is consonant. If it is CVC, you can double this last letter. So stopping. Yes. So like that you can see run, running. The N is doubled. Now we are moving to the exercise. Here you can add ing to the word in color. See the word in color, lose. Lose money, which means losing. You have to remove this E and you can write add ing, so it is losing. Pedal fast. So you have to make this pedal in the ing form. See, it is the last letter is L. Before that you can see vowel A. So we are adding, doubling the last letter and adding the ing. Next, skip. Skip is end with P and before that it is I vowel. So you have to double the P, skipping, and then add ing. See, paying, you no need to change it. Okay, you can add ing as it is. Now choose, E is end, it is end with E, so we are removing this E and adding ing, CHOOSING. Then missing, already there is a double letter, no need to leave any of the letter, so you can add ing as it is. I hope you understood the spelling very well and also a grammar. Please do the worksheet, children. Thank you. Ram Ram. Namaste.